Welcome. Today I'll show you how to quickly remove a reaction from a message on the Telegram app on your PC with the new update. If you've accidentally reacted to a message or just want to take back your reaction, it's super easy to do. First, launch the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, find the chat that contains the message with the reaction you want to remove. It could be a private message, a group chat, or a channel. Then, scroll through the conversation until you find the specific message you reacted to. You'll see the reaction emoji displayed just below or next to that message. This shows the reaction you've added. Now, simply click on the reaction emoji that you previously reacted with. When you click it again, the reaction will be removed from the message instantly. The message will return to its original state, and no one will be notified about the removal. That's all there is to it. This quick method helps you manage your reactions easily and keeps your chats clean and organized. Whether you want to correct a reaction or just tidy up your messages, these simple steps make it a breeze. To recap, launch Telegram on your PC, find the chat, locate the message with the reaction, and click on the reaction to remove it. It's that straightforward. Thanks for following along. Give this a try the next time you want to remove a reaction and enjoy managing your Telegram messages hassle-free.